Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 handheld stabilizers. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Feiyutech Official Vlog Pocket 2. Specifications. Brand name, Feiyutech. Titling angle, 240 degrees. Rolling angle, 165 degrees. Panning angle, 330 degrees. Charging for mobile device, no. Model number, Vlog Pocket 2. Material, plastic. Fold size, 111 x 57.9 146.6 mm. Unfold size, 63.7 x 93.9 247.5 mm. The item number 2 is Zhiyun Official Smooth Q3. Specifications. Brand name, Zhiyun. Zhiyun model, Smooth Q3. Titling angle, -260, +80. Rolling angle, 170, +170. Panning angle, 150, +150. Weight, G, 750. Size, 45 x 154 180 mm, folded size, 90 x 127 279 meters. Model number, Smooth Q3. Material, plastic. Valid payload, 150 grams to 280 grams. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Basis 3-axis handheld gimbal. Specifications. Brand name, Basis. Titling angle, 180. Rolling angle, 320. Panning angle, 180. Max size, 6.5 inch. Max controllable speed, 320 ANDIG. Weight, G, 800 G. Size, 30 cm 18 cm 7 cm. Material, ABS plus PC. Charging time, about 1.5 hours. Battery, 18,650 lithium-ion battery. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.